We're gonna do another one, guys. She's still wanting to play. I'll try not to make it as long as the other. But you guys really love the video, so I'll keep them coming I'll keep them coming as much as possible. She's a lot of fun. I enjoy spending time with her. I'm more of a dog person, but nonetheless, animals are animals. They're our friends. All dogs and cats and animals deserve our respect, and as long as we respect them, they'll respect us and be our best friends in the whole world if we give them a chance. So, those that like these animals, that's the reason why I'm doing these videos. And if y'all like it, hit the like button. Y'all really love them, subscribe. And if you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell icon. That way you get notified as soon as new stuff gets uploaded. You guys have a good day and take care.